Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about PhD in finance. This position is available in Norwegian Business School in Oslo, Norway. The Department of Finance inviting applications for doctoral scholarship. Start date will be, if you are the selected candidate, then you can go to Norway to start your studies at start date August 2024. Department of Finance. The department is committed to research at the highest international level. There are currently over 30 faculty members and they represent about 20 nationalities. So this is a diverse environment and you can learn a lot about different culture in that university. We'll talk more about that. PhD specialization in finance. The PhD specialization in finance prepares candidates for career in the world's leading academic institution, research-oriented international national organization, and the industry. Job market candidates from department they found employment at premier universities including London Business School, University of Melbourne, and different institutions. You can have opportunities. Funding. So the scholarship, the 4-year scholarship is set according to the Norwegian state salary, currently pays annually. This amount you will get on that scholarship. You also need to have responsibilities of 25% responsibilities in teaching. Application timeline and submission rules. Application and its attachment document can be submitted only electronically by using send application button. Application requirements. You should fulfill these requirements to encourage application from candidates who have solid quantitative skills and strong background in disciplines such as finance, economics, statistics, mathematics. Strong communication and analytical skills are also crucial for successful completion of the program. If applicants are otherwise equally qualified, female applicant will be given preference. If you are the female applicant, then go for it. You will have a high chances. Also, they need academic record. Eligible applicant must have completed a Masters of Science degree. GRE applicant who hold a master's degree from institution in EU, EEA country are strongly encouraged to take either GRE test or GMAT. And also they required IELTS or TOEFL. But if you are in native language in English, you don't need to have IELTS. Who have 2 years or more higher education where the language of instruction was English, then you don't need to provide the IELTS. And from country which is member of EU, EEA, you don't need to provide IELTS. So these documents, CV, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, you need to upload. And these certificates you need to upload. Certificate of Masters of Science, Bachelor. Candidates may at a later stage be asked for further information and be called for an interview. And then you have to do here, click here in that button, apply now. And then you will come to that apply now page. After you will come here, then all you need to do is send application. That's all for the video. I wish you best of luck and kindly like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.